What defines the soul of a multi-million-dollar Parisian Pied-à-Terre? It is more than just an address, it is the Haussmann Standard, a meticulous balance of 19th-century grandeur and avant-garde luxury. Today, we step inside a residence where the golden ratio dictates every line and Parisian Gray captures the soft northern light. Prepare to explore a home where gold leaf history meets the sharp edge of modern brass. This is the pinnacle of the Parisian look. Shall we begin the tour? Standing before the limestone facade, the architectural heritage is undeniable. The exterior honors the golden ratio, with rhythmic window placements and intricate wrought iron balconies that define the iconic Haussmann silhouette. The palette is a sophisticated blend of Parisian gray and off-white, catching the blue hues of the sky. Every sculpted corbel and arched doorway whispers of prestige, setting a tone of quiet, unmatched authority before you even cross the threshold. But the true secret of this home lies just beyond that heavy oak door. Inside the grand salon, the Haussmann Standard breathes through soaring ceilings adorned with gold leaf medallions. The walls, painted in a matte off-white, act as a canvas for the soft northern light that floods the space. The juxtaposition is striking. An ultra-modern, oversized brass chandelier hangs like a piece of sculpture against the ornate plasterwork. It is a dialogue between the past and the future, grounded by rich chevron oak floors and a marble hearth. Wait until you see how this classical grace translates into the private quarters. The master bedroom is a sanctuary of tactile luxury. Here, the deep wall moldings create a sense of structural rhythm, while the color palette shifts to a softer, silkier Parisian gray. This room exemplifies the design secret of maximized light, using reflective textures to maintain an airy, ethereal atmosphere even on overcast days. A minimalist brass fixture provides a sharp, metallic contrast to the plush, velvet-clad walls, ensuring the space feels curated, not dated. Privacy is paramount, but the culinary heart of the home is equally impressive. In the kitchen, high-concept utility meets artisanal detail. Seamless, handleless cabinetry in off-white disappears into the architecture, allowing the massive Calacatta marble island to command the room. The transition is flawless. Modern culinary technology is housed within a shell of 19th-century cornices. Oversized brass pendants cast a warm glow over the stone, highlighting the high-contrast veins of the marble and the precision of the design. But look up. The verticality of this home offers a perspective few ever see. Suspended with architectural grace, the mezzanine serves as a bridge between the home's grand volumes. Glass railings trimmed in polished brass allow for unobstructed views of the gold leaf ceilings below, emphasizing the home's adherence to the golden ratio. It is a transitional space that feels like a floating gallery, bathed in the same consistent Parisian gray that unifies the levels. The height here provides a breathtaking look at the chandelier's intricate scale. From this height, the path leads to a place of ultimate rejuvenation. The bathroom is a temple of marble and light. A freestanding brass bathtub sits as a centerpiece, mirroring the geometry of a modern chandelier above. The design secret here is the use of Parisian Gray marble veins to create a natural, high-contrast pattern against the off-white stone. Every fixture is a deliberate choice, ensuring that even the most functional room in the house feels like a part of the grand Haussmann narrative, complete with its own ornate ceiling rows. Now, let us step outside to see how Paris greets the morning sun. The private street-level entrance is a masterclass in curb appeal. Manicured topiaries stand in symmetry, framing a cobblestone path that leads to the heavy wrought iron gates. The contrast between the dark metal and the pale limestone creates an immediate sense of security and exclusivity. This front yard is not merely a transition, it is a buffered zone of elegance that protects the residents' quietude from the bustling energy of the prestigious Parisian avenues nearby. Yet, the most exclusive view is found at the very top of the structure. Ascending to the rooftop, the city reveals itself. The terrace is framed by the iconic zinc roofing that defines the Paris skyline. Modern lounge furniture in off-white sits against the weathered Parisian gray of the chimney pots. It is a strategic juxtaposition of the city's historic bones and a multi-million-dollar lifestyle. As the northern light fades into a golden sunset, the brass lanterns begin to glow, creating a high-contrast silhouette of the Eiffel Tower. Inside, productivity finds a home in a space designed for deep focus. The study is where the Haussmann Standard meets intellectual rigor. Floor-to-ceiling bookshelves are integrated into the ornate wall panels, painted in a deep, moody gray to promote concentration. A sleek, black desk provides a sharp modern edge, while the gold leaf detailing on the ceiling reflects the light from a signature brass fixture. It is a room that feels both historic and visionary, a perfect environment for the modern global citizen to create and command. Beyond the walls of work lies a hidden, verdant escape. Tucked away from the world is the private courtyard backyard. This secret garden is enclosed by high limestone walls, offering a rare sanctuary of green ivy and stillness. A modern brass sculpture sits at the center, acting as a focal point that draws the eye upward toward the rhythmic Haussmann balconies. The play of light and shadow here is dramatic, emphasizing the high-contrast textures of the stone and the soft, organic movement of the curated plantings. The Haussmann Standard reminds us that true luxury is found in the details, the height of a ceiling, the tone of a gray, the flash of brass against stone. This Parisian Pied-à-Terre is a masterclass in balancing heritage with a modern soul. Thank you for joining us on this architectural journey. If you value the intersection of history and design, ensure your next project seeks the golden ratio. Until next time. Would you like me to